Welcome back for another episode, guys. So at the moment still working on taking things apart and trying to get things scuffed up properly. I've already gone ahead and removed the little cover on the back of where the license plate sits by removing 3 tabs right here, and then going ahead and releasing 2 nuts that are located in this position and this position. I think they were 8mm nuts. So this is right now just going to get a little wiped down with acetone before I go ahead and start sanding things down, just so this extra loose dirt doesn't scratch the car more than it needs to. So whoa, that's straight up taking the paint off. So it looks like this hatch was also repainted before, so I'm actually gonna bring this one a little further down to make sure that when I get the new paint on there that it bonds much better. My guess is they really didn't take too much time to prep it behind here, just because this is fairly hidden, right? So
if I could take you up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
So it's actually easier to use acetone, kind of use it as kind of a wet sand to get that old paint off a lot easier, and at the same time kind of makes it easier to scuff it as well. This didn't really have any prep behind it, so it's coming off fairly easily. You can see I can basically wash it off, but with a scuffing pad I can kind of do both at the same time.
You up in boom 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 boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think I'm planned to come you. And I think I'm my whole life loving you.
So running out of sunlight right now, so I'm gonna push the car into the garage, but so far so good. Still a lot to do here, but everything is turning out fairly nice so far. I plan on actually removing the doors and the hatch again so I can actually do the jambs nicely. But first I'm actually going to take off the panel, a couple of the panels on the inside, and I'm going to take out the headliner and open things up a little bit more here so I can scuff behind here on the door jamb a little bit better. Things got to look a little bit neater, so I got a lot of things still to take apart. And we're gonna have this thing fall in. Quite happy with how everything actually managed to go off. The side panels were kind of difficult, but luckily nothing broke on those. I was concerned at first, but after checking out a couple of videos, I was able to see how to properly remove those. I can actually now go ahead and start sanding and scuffing up these door jambs. So I just really wanted to open everything up properly. So these doors are actually gonna come off, and I'm gonna start sanding the door jambs, a little bit of the interior here, so I can get paint on the inside a bit here, so I don't have any black showing through. Other than that, the ceiling or the roof is doing very well in here. These rust spots I thought were going to be a lot worse than they are. Luckily, they're just really surface, so nothing too concerning anymore on those, and everything's looking pretty sharp in here. So that's going to wrap up today's episode, guys. As always, thank you for all the support that you show me. It's honestly truly motivating for me to work on this Honda, so thank you again. The headliner is actually going to go inside the house because I've ordered some material for a design that I'm going to throw on that, so that's going to be kind of unique and cool, I think. So that'll be in a different episode, but something I'll definitely share with you guys. As always, guys, do leave that comment, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in a couple days in the next episode.